Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 10 Lite and let me share with you how to show the battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So if you've got only the battery indicator and if you want to have that was a misclick, of course. If you want to have the percentage inside the battery icon or next to it, then I'll show you the operation of turning it on, which is so simple. Let's enter the settings first of all, and then let's scroll down to find notifications and control center. Now we have to scroll down again to find the status bar, and as you can see at the bottom of this first section we've got the battery indicator. After tapping on it, you've got the graphical options from which we can choose. You can, or probably you've got this option applied, you've got only the battery indicator. You can pick the percentage inside the battery icon or outside the battery icon next to it. As you can see, it will immediately appear next to the battery icon. So thanks to this, you will be always able to check the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. Let me pick this option. So basically that's all. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your Redmi Note 10 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.